It's now time for the Business Report with Joel Crossgill.
Lots to share with you in the Business Report today about the willingness to challenge convention and the ability to think big as confidence in Sygnus Investments Limited strategy of innovation was made manifest with the listing of the largest perpetual preference share raise in the Jamaica Stock Exchange's history, an outcome that may have even astonished Jason Morris, Executive Vice President and Chief Investment Officer at Sygnus Group.
On November 25, 2024, we embarked on an ambitious mission to raise capital for a public offering of perpetual cumulative annual preference shares. What followed exceeded all our expectations. SCI successfully raised the largest public perpetual preference share offering on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, securing a record $5.17 billion, which is approximately $33 million. This achievement is historic not only for Sygnus, but also for the entire private credit industry across the Caribbean region.
Initially set to raise $1.2 billion Jamaican dollars, upsizable to $1.6 billion, and US $20 million for the Jamaican dollar and US dollar preference share classes respectively. Both classes of preference shares on offer were oversubscribed, prompting the extension of the offer to December 30, 2024.
The two classes of preference shares offering yields of 10% for the Jamaican dollar class H and 8% for the US dollar class I were oversubscribed by 43% and 10% respectively. This response underscores the unwavering trust and confidence investors place in Sygnus and our vision for the future. This marks the second consecutive year we have returned to the Jamaica Stock Exchange to start the year by listing an oversubscribed offer.
The Sygnus Group's continued faith in the financial capital markets was welcomed by Dr. Marlene Street Forrest, Managing Director of the JSE, who suggests Sygnus's signal of confidence in the JSE is well placed and timely when contemplating investor appetite after an extended period of high interest rates.
Last year, January 19, 2024, Sygnus was here, listing 3 tranches of preference shares, 1 on the JSE main market and 2 on the US dollar market. Fast forward today, I must again express my delight. Sygnus seemed to be making bold January statements, as last year their listing exceeded the amount of capital raised on the main market, junior and the US dollar market for the previous 2023. Based on the business confidence survey that's the fourth quarter conducted and released by the Chamber of Commerce, there are companies which are seeking to expand their business. So I take this opportunity to encourage them to come to market. The environment is right.
While the total number of companies that have listed on the market remains at 103, Sygnus is responsible for a growing percentage of the now 155 listed securities, as noted by Andre Tulloch, Chief Regulatory Officer of the Regulatory and Market Oversight Division of the JSE.
This listing represents Sygnus' 6th and 7th security to be listed on the JSE. This milestone not only represents the testimony to Sygnus' remarkable growth and vision, but also is a validation of the strength, transparency, and opportunities that the Jamaican capital market continue to provide.
Carl Townsend, Chief Country Officer, Group Capital Markets Unit Jamaica at JMMB, also noted the role JMMB played in attracting over 1,000 investors within 4 weeks as lead broker.
The fact of the matter is, this is the second time that we have brokered a perpetual pref, having pioneered this transaction for productive business solutions some time ago, and we use a similar structure which we believed and ultimately was proved that it was very attractive for our clients. What I would say to Sygnus is continue doing what you're doing. I think the market has a lot of confidence in what you're doing. We love this alternative investment space. We like partnering with you because you're doing some very creative things, and your creativity and our innovation, we believe, is a solid partnership.
One that now extends the reach of Sygnus Credit Investments towards a range of new possibilities, according to Morris.
With this capital, Sygnus Credit Investments well positioned to deep its impact across key industries including manufacturing,
And that was your business report. I'm Joel Crosskill.